Hello and good night, doctor. My name is Wang. My metric number is 244239. I'm a semester 7 student. I will introduce my assignment for the corporate governance. The topic is the determinant of the operational risk in the logistics industry. The study looks for the determinants that may affect the operational risk of Malaysia logistics industry. The purpose is to discover internal factors and external factors that may affect operational risk. The method used in this study are statistics and regulations technologies to check the significance level of the correlation between these factors. I have 5 parts for my assignment. The first is introduce a literature review and methodology, funding and analyze file. And the 5 is the discussion and conclusion. I have the research question. The first is do internal factors affect to the company's profitability, and do external factors affect the company profitability, and is the impact CG index affected by the internal and external factors? And the risk types are liquidity risk, and credit risk, and operational risk, market risk, and financial risk. First, liquidity risk is the company's ability to repay short-term debt, or its ability to respond to cash outflows quickly and economically. Credit risk is defined as the risk of economic loss that may be caused by the counterparties and the failure and fulfill contractual obligation. Operational risk is defined as the risk of loss due to insufficient or the failure of the internal processes, personnel, and the systems, and external events. In terms of the finance, operational risk refers to a series of possible business failure and that are not directly related to credit risk or market risk. The definition of the market risk is the market price at which adverse changes in the institutional level or volatility lead to an institution. Financial condition. Financial risks are divided into external financial risks that depend on changes in the financial market, and the internal financial risks that depend on the score of the company itself. This part is the methodology. There are 2 research methods and models, assembly technologies and statistical technologies. The research through assembly technologies is to study the determinants of the operational risk in the logistics industry. As a result, the dependent variable of this study is set as the operational risk, while the independent variable is set as the internal factors and external factors. The statistical technology state is derived from ILBS 5-year state from 2050 to 2090. It's used to study the income statement and balance sheet as internal variables when calculating the company's CG index. And the first is the funding and analyze the company's internal factors and external factors state changes in the past 5 years through statistics of IRB company data, and draw the tables and analyze the reasons for the changes in the internal and external factors. using SPSS determine the impact of changes in the flow rate through the mast. Determine the impact of the internal and external influence on the ILB by analyzing model and ANOVA and comparing them. And the three models represent the internal influence, external influence, and the both influence to get the research answers through the data and comparison. And the final is the conclusion and recommendations. This research aims to investigate the influence of corporate governance index related to bankruptcy and macroeconomics on the corporate performance. Internal factors of the listed organizations and the relationship between external factors and corporate performance. In addition, the adjusted R-squared between CGI and total Q is close to 1. Therefore, we can conclude that improve the corporate governance index will improve the organization's performance and recently increase operating profit measure. And the organization should have good corporate governance to ensure that the organization has good performance and can maintain the sustainability. Thank you, sir.